Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 3.5 inch rock crawler 3.5 Adventure Series lift kit on it, the Stage 1. We put some 17x9 fuel sledges and some 35 by 12.5 R17 BFGoodrich KM2 all-terrain tires. Now, if you want more information on this tire and wheel setup, please watch the wheel matchup video somewhere over here towards the end of the video. Just click on it, it'll take you straight to it. It's got an aftermarket front bumper, the nice thin line hood latches, BB8 fender flares. It's got a 52-inch light bar on the top, some pods on the bumper and on the A-pillars, and it's got a real nice Central Alps spare tire cover. But let's talk about the tips and tricks on this rock crawler lift kit. There's a couple reasons why I love this lift, but let's talk about the reasons why I don't like it. One, their lead time is absolutely terrible. If you order it from Rock Crawler, it will take 6 to 8 weeks because they build each kit on a order basis. So they don't build it until you order it. That's the part that I don't like about it. Everything else, after that, I love it. The replacement sway bar links in the front, absolutely love them. The springs, the sway bar straps that keep your sway bar up at the top whenever you disconnect it. It'll keep your sway bar locked at the top while you're off-roading, so you don't have to worry about it falling down. The option to do quick disconnect sway bars or to bolt them in. I love the fact that they give you all these options. I even love the joints on the control arms. They are phenomenal with your little grease inlet. Rock Crawler has absolutely killed it with this lift kit. We don't have very many tips for you, except for the fact that when you take your lower control arms off, you're gonna have to replace them with Rock Crawler's lower control arms. And it can be a little bit tricky when installing the lower control arms. So we highly recommend you having somebody that can help you. Also, make sure that you have a pry bar to help you manipulate the axle forwards, backwards, up and down. And then also, if you can, get a jack stand. You'll be able to get one control arm in, piece of cake. But for your second one, get a jack stand, place it underneath one side of the axle, and then get a floor jack underneath the other one. And what this will allow you to do is lift the axle up and down so that you can move the axle, making it closer or further away from the lower control arm mount. We also installed a Fox ATS steering stabilizer, which is my absolute favorite steering stabilizer because it is adjustable and it's just the single best steering stabilizer on the market, unless you're gonna go to a hydro assist steering, but we won't even get into that. We also installed some Fox 2.0 Reservoir Shocks Performance Series shocks. They're everybody's favorites. They come on a Mopar lift. You can get them with TerraFlex. Like, they're everybody's favorite. They ride great. They handle great. You cannot complain. You pay for them. It's a Fox shock. It's a Reservoir shock. You have to love it. So that's all that we have for this Jeep. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the bumpers, the lift, the tires, the wheels, the fender flares, the lights, the light bar mounts, the tire cover, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I absolutely love this Jeep. I wish I could just buy it. I don't want to have to go to the dealer. I don't want to have to go through the hassle of buying a Jeep, bringing it to you, getting you to fix it up. I just want to buy it already done. Luckily for you, we're going to start posting the inventory that we have built for dealers on our website. Go to central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and it will have a list of all of the vehicles that we have already built for dealers that are for sale on that webpage, and you can go. The idea is find the perfect truck or Jeep, call up that dealer, and go buy it today. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.